Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English Language Skills. In this video, I'm going to clear your doubts. If you are still confused how to use its and let's with and without apostrophe. So stay with me, let's get started. Okay, so let me teach you when to use its with and without the apostrophe. This one, its without an apostrophe, is what? Is your possessive pronoun. Possessive means it shows possession, that something belongs to you. This one is a contraction form of it is and it has. What is the meaning of contraction? Shortened form. And here we put an apostrophe because it denotes some letters are missing. If we are writing this for it is, so I is missing here. If you're writing for it has, it's, so HA will be missing. Okay, let me show you the examples. Very easy. This old house has its own charm. The dog was wagging its tail. Here its without an apostrophe shows possession. Whereas here, I've forgotten my mobile. I think it's in the house. It is in the house. So you can check your doubt by rereading it. So if the answer is it is in the house, you do have to put the apostrophe. Second one, it's been so long since we last talked to each other. Check, it has been. Right? So always check whether I should use an apostrophe. Am I contracting some words? And then of course you will never make a mistake. Okay. Now let's come to let's with and without apostrophe. This let's, L-E-T-S, is a permission. I'm letting you do this work. Okay? And it is in the third person singular present tense form of the verb. This one is again a contraction, shortened form of let us. Let's see some examples. Okay. My father lets me drive his car on Sundays. Means allows me, lets. Here, let's go out for lunch tomorrow. Let me read it in the other manner. Let us go out for lunch tomorrow. So, a very simple rule with an apostrophe with its and let's means the word has been shortened. Not so easy to forget, I guess, isn't it? Thanks for watching.